Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x squared. Next, we need to multiply by 9 squared on numerator and denominator in here. So this one we can put into 9x everything to the power of 2. Next, this one we can write like this. Next, we have the formula. So when s approaches to number 0, tan ax over ax equals to number 1. So in this situation, we have like this. And this one we have number 2 over 81. This is the end. Thank you for watching.